mean the concept of this open set. Keep revising it. Okay, let me share what we have been discussing. All the lectures. So let me quickly recall what we have. So these two examples already I have explained. Example 2, example 3. Now look at example 4. Claim here is that the rationals Q are not connected. Actually, Q is not connected in R. Whenever not mentioned means Q is not connected in R. Indeed, the only connected subspaces of Q are the one-point sets. And if Y is a subspace, see there are three different parts. The first one, that rational Q is not connected. Second, you have to prove that indeed the only connected subspaces of Q are the one-point set. Third, if Y is a subspace of Q containing 2 points, I mean at least 2 points, at least 2 rational P and Q. So basically this one is the proof for this one. So first we already know that to show that rationals Q are not connected in R, actually on Q we have the subspace topology. So you can clearly think of a proper subspace which is open as well as closed. So already I told you that, see, if you refer my lectures on I mean my earlier lectures, then already I shown you that if you take this interval minus √2 intersection Q, then this one is a closed set in Q with respect to subspace topology on Q induced from R, induced from standard topology on R. And see, we are taking this closed interval, we are taking this one as intersection with Q. So it is not going to contain minus √2 and √2. So one can also write it as open interval minus √2, √2. Actually, both are same. And this one is this set is closed as well as open. Why? See, any set in Q, I mean with respect to subspace topology, is said to be open if in Q, if we are able to write it as Q intersection some open sets in R, and it is said to be closed in Q if I am able to write it as Q intersection some closed set in R. So by that definition, it is going to be open as well as, but both are same set, so it is going to be open as well as closed, and this one is a proper subset. So clearly you can say that this one is a subset which is open as well as closed in Q. Thus, as per definition, we have a separation. Why? Because if you look at its complement, you will always get a separation of Q. So this is the reason why Q is not connected in R. So first part, this part already I have completed. Now come to second part. Second, it is shown that the only connected subspaces of Q are the one-point set. I mean, whenever you consider any subspace of Q, any subspace of Q having 2 or more than 2 elements, so you need to check. See, on Q we have the standard, I mean the usual standard topology, and Y some subspace of Q. Now on Y we need to check. So we see, we already know if Y is subspace of Q containing 2 or 2 points P and Q, one can, so in between any two rational number, sorry, in fact it is given that that the only connected subspaces of Q are the one-point set. The only connected subspaces of Q are the one-point set. So here let us consider any Y as a subspace of Q. Okay. So if your Y consists of 2 or more than 2 elements, say let us start from at least 2 elements. I think I have done somewhere proof. So suppose P and Q are two distinct rational number and cardinality of Y is 2 or greater than 2. So for just sake of explanation, let us take Y equal to just consisting of 2 elements P and Q. So we know that in between any two rational, always I have irrational, I can always choose irrational. So in so how you will do the, I mean how you will construct its partition. So in between P and Q, I can always choose an irrational number. Now consider this interval minus infinity to a, minus infinity to a. So this is going to contain P, and this open interval a to infinity, this is going to contain Q, and both are open in R. Or in fact, if you want to look at open in Q, then take its intersection with Q, write its intersection with Q, and make here correction. You can write here Q because here it's sorry. It's written that Y is a subspace of Q. So you, sorry, yes. So this one is a, because we need to take rational. So this one is already we have here open. So this is going to be open in Q. And if I take this intersection of this one with Y, then this is going to be open in, this is going to be open in Y. This is going to be open in Y. So what will happen that this Y intersection minus infinity A will contain this P, and this is going to contain Q. And because we have taken its intersection with Y, so it is going to contain P, and this one is Q. I have taken just 2 points here. And their union, look, their union is going to be whole PQ. And this is open, this one is open, this one is open. So as per definition, we have already formed a separation for, I have already formed a separation for Y. Or in other words, you can say that this set is open as well as closed. Why? Because this one is open, so its complement is, this set is already open, and its complement is this one. This is also open, so its complement is going to be closed. So you can see, you can also say that this one is a proper subset which is open as well as closed. This is a proper subset of Y which is open as well as closed. So in this way, you can look at its proof. Now, so we have what is written here, that we have given several examples of the spaces that are not connected. How can one construct spaces that are connected? But before coming to this one, see, from here we have also seen that whenever a set of rationals have any subspace of rationals have 2 or more than 2 elements, then one can always think of separation in this way, and thus the set will not be connected. So this means that only one point sets are connected, because if you consider the one point set, say Y is equal to singleton A, then it has no proper subset which is open as well as closed. So clearly this set is going to be connected. This set is going to be connected. Only one point set. Now from here, I have also explained the definition of disconnected set, totally disconnected set. So let us come to that problem. Yes, this one. A space is totally disconnected if it is only connected if its only connected subspaces are one point sets. Look here. Just wait whether I put this lecture on record or not. Some students are waiting. No. A space is totally disconnected if and only if its only connected subspaces are the one point set. Okay, so as per definition, Q is going to be totally disconnected, because we have seen that the only connected subspaces are the one point set. Because whenever you have more than if we take any subspace of Q having 2 or more than 2 set, we always can form a separation, and thus Q is totally disconnected. Now second part is show that if X has the discrete topology, then X is totally disconnected. So in earlier lecture already I proved that whenever a set X equal with suppose X is a non-empty set having 2 or more than 2 member, and on this set if I put the discrete topology, then always this set is not connected. Always this set is not connected. In the first lecture of connectedness, I have proved that in case of discrete topology, only one point set is connected, because whenever you have 2 or more than 2 set, you can just think of a singleton that is going to be open as well as closed, because in discrete topology we know that it is a power set, so so its every subset is open as well as closed. So if you take its subset as a singleton, then that is going to be open as well as closed. So I have at least one proper subset which is open as well as closed. So whenever its cardinality is greater than equal to, so again it will be never connected. So in same case, that if cardinality of X is 1, exactly 1, I mean if the set is equal with only one element, and on this we have the discrete topology. However, in case of one element, discrete and indiscrete topology are same. In earlier lecture already I have discussed. Now look, so again that is going to be not connected, and so only one point sets are connected in discrete topology. So again, any set equipped with any set is again I can say that any set X, any non-empty set X has that having discrete topology is going to be totally disconnected. Now here show that if X has the discrete topology, then X is totally disconnected. So in my earlier lecture already I have shown this. Question is, does the converse hold? Does the converse hold means if a space is totally disconnected, Is it necessary that it will always have the discrete topology? So for this, Q is the counter example that it may not be true. I mean, the converse may not be true, because Q is totally disconnected, but on Q we have the topology different from Q. If you refer to my earlier lecture in which I have discussed lectures on subspace topology, in that I show you that on Z, basically the subspace topology on Z comes out to be the discrete topology. Subspace topology on Z, let me recall it. For detail, you can refer to that lecture. Subspace topology on Z is discrete topology. Whereas subspace topology on Q, subspace topology on Q is some topology different from this. Is not the discrete. Is not discrete. I have proved there. Look at the lectures on is not discrete. Why? Because see, when you start taking intersection of Z on subspace topology, when you start taking construction of basis member with standard members of standard topology, I mean standard basis members from R, then in this way, if you take AB such that it consists of just singleton element, I mean by varying AB, you can, apart from other set, you will also get singletons. And whenever we have collection of all singletons, I can always generate power set, that is discrete topology. But if you take the intersection with Q, try to have the words on which I am emphasizing. Try to observe those words. If you start taking, I mean, the subspace topology on Q induced from R, on R we have standard topology. And we know that on standard topology we have the basis member like this. So if I take the restriction of this basis member to Q, I mean by taking intersection, then it is going to, by varying AB, I will get the members of basis members of Q. So you can observe that in this intersection you will never get singletons. I mean all singletons. By varying AB, you will never get all singletons. Because we know that for discrete topology we need basis as collection of all singletons for generating discrete topology. So in this case you will get singletons, but in this case you will not get singleton. There may be more than one rational number in every intersection, provided A is not equal to B. Okay. So this is the reason why on Q we don't have the discrete topology, but on Z we have the discrete topology. Now look at this statement. So this is the reason why Q is totally disconnected, but it has not the discrete topology. So this article is very important because you will find that in several times in different competitive examination, and it has been asked. Also, what about RL? In place of Q, one can also look at RL, lower limit topology. This is also one can consider this as a counter example. Why? R with lower limit topology. Can you say that RL is connected? Can one prove that RL is connected? I have given you as home assignment in earlier lecture. Have you tried this? आप लोग नहीं ट्राई करोगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? कैसे आप शो करोगे कि RL कनेक्टेड है? R with lower limit topology. क्या वो आप लोग जग तो रहे हैं ना? सो तो नहीं के सब लोग? पता नहीं, एमएससी क्लास में ले रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप लोग सब लोग सो जाते हैं। लेक्चर लगाने के बाद आप लोग सब सो जाते हैं। चले, आप लोग वाइवा में जाग जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं। देखो, एक किसी मैथमेटिशियन ने कहा है नो पेन नो गेन, है ना? बल्कि अगर आप ये बुक फॉलो करोगे, आई थिंक दिस वन अलजेब्रा की बुक, क्या नाम है उसका, नाम भूले, गैलियन, जोसेफ गैलियन की. सो इन दैट after every chapter there is a history about some mathematician. So in that some mathematician has given a statement, no pain no gain. No pain no gain. This statement, this is very useful in this mathematics. If you are taking pain, I mean, it's not, you cannot say pain. If you, in fact, I will say that if you are enjoying my lectures, if you are enjoying the lectures, I mean topology, then obviously you will, I mean, in future, apart from your marks, you will score very good in different competitive examination. So I mean, taking pain at this time will make you gain. ठीक है ना, तो ये स्टेटमेंट बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेटमेंट है. You need to work on this statement. क्योंकि अगर आज आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो कल फिर आपके लिए मुश्किल होना है. ठीक है, और आप दुनिया में अकेले पढ़ने वाले नहीं. और कम से कम जो आपको मार्क्स मिले ना, मैंने देखा है लॉकडाउन में, मुझे लगता है हर एक यूनिवर्सिटी में यही आलम होगा कि शायद सबके मार्क्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. ठीक है ना. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि आप असाइनमेंट जो जमा करते हो सब कॉपी पेस्ट रहता है. कुछ लोगों की तो पकड़ में आ जाती है. ठीक है, जो लोगों को पकड़ में आ गया तो उनका तो पेनल्टी लगा उसी हिसाब से. और कुछ लोग अपने राइटिंग से लिख भी देते हो, पर उनमें भी चेक करने पे बहुत से लोगों के असाइनमेंट सेम दिख जाते हैं, तो उस पर भी पेनल्टी लगती है. ठीक है, लेकिन बात सिर्फ असाइनमेंट की नहीं है. आपको कम से कम जो मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं इतना तो पढ़ लो, उसे जस्टिफाई कर ले जाओ. कहीं भी जाओगे आप यूनिवर्सिटी डिपार्टमेंट का नाम और आई मीन खुद आप अपना, तो मेरा मकसद ये है कि कम से कम आप जब पढ़ना ही है तो आप थोड़ा सा मेहनत करके और उसे अच्छे से पढ़ो ना. थोड़ा सा आप भी पार्टिसिपेट करोगे. अब हम लोग भी गलतियां करते हैं, जब स्टूडेंट नए नए सवाल पूछता है तो फिर से उसे कुछ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, मैथमेटिक्स, I mean all these things are learning and you need to be good in mathematics, not best, because if you are good then you will always try to improve. मेरा अपना मानना है कि अगर आप गुड हो तो आप ज्यादा इंप्रूव करोगे. and if you start thinking that you are the best in everything then the chances of improvement will be less. ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं है. हम लोग भी करते थे तो पहले कभी कभी क्लास में 20% ही समझ में आता था, कोई क्लास बहुत ऊपर से बाउंस कर जाता था. ठीक है, फिर जाके घर पे दोबारा उसे देखते थे, किताब निकाल के, अच्छा ये डेफिनेशन है, इस तरह के इसमें ओपन सेट्स होते हैं, ये हमेशा प्योर मैथ्स में आप पहले सबसे पहले डेफिनेशन देखो, व्हाट डेफिनेशन इज सेइंग, एंड देन स्टार्ट वर्किंग रिलेटेड टू दैट डेफिनेशन. ठीक है, तो ये बेसिक तरीका होता है. सो क्वेश्चन इज हियर दैट इज आरएल कनेक्टेड. अब देखो आरएल का अगर आप डेफिनेशन रिकॉल करो तो आरएल को मैंने बहुत सिंपल वे में समझाया था. आरएल इज द शॉर्ट नोटेशन फॉर R equated with lower limit topology. Lower limit topology. What are the basis member for lower limit topology? If you recall, the basis member for lower limit topology is collection of all those intervals of this type. तो कितना आसान है, AB belonging to R. Just हमने ये recall किया definition. If this is not connected, then I have to give you at least one separation. For that, you need to show that it has at least one proper subset which is open as well as closed. अब बताओ कैसा, ऐसा कोई सबसेट बताओ जो ओपन एज वेल एज क्लोज्ड. ओके, can I write R as this one, say minus infinity to A union A to infinity. ये तो लिख सकते हैं ना, एक जगह ये ओपन कर दो और यहाँ पे क्लोज कर दो. Clearly this is going to cover whole R, so I can add both are non-empty. You can consider this one as A, you can consider this one as B. Both are non-empty, their union is R, I mean both are disjoint, their union is R. Now only thing is if you are able to prove that this one is open as well as this one is open, then you have a separation. यही तो करना होता है. अगर इस तरह लिख दिया तो आपके सेपरेशन डिमांड, ये तो डेफिनेशन है. और देखो सेपरेशन का क्या है, A should be non-empty, B should be non-empty, there must be disjoint, I mean their union must be equal to X, I mean their intersection must be phi, and if A and B both are open in X, then X is said to be not connected. यही तो सेपरेशन का डेफिनेशन है. ओके, I think it is gone. No problem. So yes, so can you show that this set is open? How to see this one is clearly open? Why? Because this is one of the basis member here, basis member of this type. So you can easily show that this part you can show that, see this A to infinity, you can show that union of fix A here and vary N here. N is greater than A, N belonging to, you can take set of natural number, start taking, I mean on number line you can you can take A and then fix here 1, then A with 2, you take this 1 2 and start taking, so it will go to infinity. So and you know that the basis members are open, and arbitrary union of open sets are open, so I have proved that this one is open. Okay. Now how to show this one? One can also write minus infinity a. Let me write here. I can also write, can I write minus infinity a, this one, minus infinity a as union of some basis members of this type? चलो बताओ, ये तो बहुत आसान है, आपको कई बार बता चुका है, तो बेसिक सेट थ्योरी का कैसे लिखोगे आप? अरे यहाँ पे क्या लिख दो, यूनियन ऑफ माइनस एन कर दो, वेर एन इज लेस देन ए, और इधर ओपन कर दो, n बिलोंग्स टू n, सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर। तो देखो जैसे n की वैल्यू 1 रखो तो कितना आ जाएगा नंबर लाइन पे? तो बहुत बेसिक चीज है, -1 to a, ऑब्वियसली a इज ग्रेटर देन -1, ठीक है? नहीं अब बार बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, इतना तो कॉमन सेंस है। फिर यहाँ पे ये -2 हो गया, and if you start taking union, it will move to the left part will go to minus infinity. So again this one is a basis member of this type, क्योंकि आप कोई भी ओपन सेट क्या होगा, अपने बेसिस मेंबर से जनरेट होता है। So you need to write this one into basis member of this one, and we know that arbitrary union of open set is open. So thus I have found a separation for this one. This implies that R with lower limit topology is not connected. Answer is no. R with lower limit topology is not connected. ठीक है ना, R with lower limit topology is not connected. तो आप तो ट्राई करते नहीं, पहले ही हार मान लेते तो मैं कहां से सिखा दूं? So this is also going to be a counter example for this one, for this question, that if X is totally disconnected, and you can also do the same thing. Take it. See, I have proved that RL is disconnected. Again, you can show that the same by same argument, that whenever a set equipped with two or more than, whenever you take any subset of this one, subspace of this one Rn with two or more than two elements, you can always form a separation. I mean, those are not connected. So try it. So in that way, one can show that again RL is totally disconnected, and thus RL is totally disconnected, but it will not have the discrete topology. Am I audible? Yes. मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को?
सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है।
हाँ, आवाज तो आ रही है ना मेरी? मुझे लगता है वो
कट के आ रहा है।
हाँ, लाइट कनेक्शन की प्रॉब्लम है। एनीवे शायद पता नहीं, कनेक्शन तो है। चलो कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। तो आप यहाँ तक जरा रिवाइज कर लो, आज तो मैं लेक्चर ये कंप्लीट करता हूँ, कल यहाँ से आगे बढ़ेंगे। और अभी मैं आपका सोल्यूशन चेक नहीं किया, जो आप लोगों ने सवाल सॉल्व कर, जब मैं इसे चेक कर लूंगा तब मैं वो क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन कराऊंगा। मैं देखना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों का सोल्यूशन, आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हो। पहले मैं आपके सोल्यूशन सबको, कई लोगों के मैंने आंसर रिसीव किए हैं, लेट मी चेक इट, देन आई विल रिप्लाई ऑन योर आंसर, ठीक है? करते रहे कोशिश इस तरह, कोई चीज टफ नहीं होती। जे.आर. मुंगरेस भी तो कोई इंसान था ना, उसी ने किताब लिखी है ना, तो फिर आप क्यों नहीं समझ सकते यार, इतनी कॉमन सी चीज है। आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे फिर कैसे कोई समझा देगा आपको? गलतियों से क्यों घबराते हो यार? मैथमेटिक्स में गलतियां, जो लोग गलती ज्यादा करते हैं वो लोग ज्यादा क्रिएटिव होते हैं। मैं भी बता दे रहा हूँ, रिसर्च में आप देखो, जो लोग गलतियां ज्यादा करते हैं ज्यादा क्रिएटिव होते हैं। अब ये नहीं कि आप हर जगह गलती करते रहो ठीक है? तो गलतियों से मत घबराओ ना, आप अपने आप को पहले, आप जो भी सोल्यूशन है एक दूसरे शेयर करो कि मैंने ये सोचा है, गलत होने दो उसे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तभी तो आप करेक्शन करो। यहाँ पे गलत करोगे तो कभी भी आप एग्जाम में गलतियां नहीं करोगे, यही इंप्रूवमेंट का एक वे है। बाकी कोई ऐसा 1-2% लोग होते हैं जो बहुत गॉड गिफ्टेड होते हैं, बाकी सबको मेहनत करके ही करना होता है, ठीक है? तो मैं तो उस चीज में यकीन नहीं रखता, आप जितना मेहनत करोगे जितना उतना अच्छा करोगे। ठीक है, आई थिंक टाइम इज रनिंग आउट। Okay, so I will let me finish this lecture. Let me stop this lecture here. And